Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by verifying the essentials. Check the file extension and size so you know what you're dealing with. Once done, make sure the default app for that type is set to the correct program. This prevents mismatched previews. Next, open another file of the same type to confirm the viewer app itself can render content. If that other file loads, you've narrowed the issue to this specific file. If not, proceed to the next set of deeper fixes. You now attempt repair and configuration adjustments. Try the app's built-in repair option or use an open and repair feature. That fixes header or minor corruption. Then disable the preview pane or extension and re-enable it, and clear the app cache to remove stale index data. If the file still won't preview, convert it to a simple format like PDF or PNG to test readability. Conversion often bypasses damaged metadata and proves whether content is salvageable, so you know the next move. You finish by restoring a known good backup or requesting the original file if available. That's the fastest path to a working preview. Then confirm file permissions aren't preventing read access and temporarily disable antivirus or sandboxing that might block previews, since security tools can interfere. If problems persist, test the file on another device to isolate system issues before reinstalling apps. One key troubleshooting tip: try a different viewer. If that works, you avoid a full reinstall and save time.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.